Guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to create a dictionary in Python. Okay, dictionary is just like a list or an array, but more general. In a array or a list, the indices have to be integers, but in a dictionary, they can be almost any type. As you can see here, the indices index or your indices number 0 to 5 in a dictionary. It can be any type. You can put any type of value key for the dictionary. Certain people have different ways of explaining our dictionary, but I think for my case, the simplest way that I can explain a dictionary is just think of a dictionary like one of our ordinary dictionaries. Like there's a value, let's say there's a word, and then it has its definitions. This dictionary is similar. The word can be the key, and definition can be called its values, just like our dictionary here. This pig, the value is k. The key dog, its value is a. Or it can be vice versa. The key can be k and the value can be pig, or the a can be the key and dog can be the value. Either way, look at an example. Let's say our dictionary can be called a equals dict. We can use dict is a keyword that can be used to create an empty dictionary, or we can simply create a dictionary and assign values to it. Let's say a is 1, let's say B is 2, let's say C is 3, and so on. Let's see. Let's check if it's a dictionary. Let's check B. It is a dictionary. Let's check A. So let's basically create a dictionary. If you want to check the size of the values in the dictionary, the size of value key pair in the dictionary, we can use the keyword len. It's giving us 0 because A is an empty dictionary. Let's check B. Greater than 3 because there's actually 3 key pair value in the dictionary. There's also another keyword which I'd like us to be familiar with. It's called get. We can use get to check if there's a key in a dictionary. Let's say, for example, let's say B. Let's check if A exists in the dictionary. We will get receives two parameters. The first one is the key, and the second one is the value. If the default value doesn't exist in the dictionary, it will print the value that we input. If it exists, it will print the value in the dictionary. For example, for this one, it's giving us 1 because it does exist and its value is 1. So let's say if we put something else like Z, it will give us 100 because Z doesn't exist. Okay, that's basically a dictionary. It can be used in storing keys and values, especially when you want to create references. Like if I want to create a dictionary, I could use the inbuilt dictionary in Python. It's much simpler. It can store up to lots of values. We don't have to create programs to actually assign a value, a key, and all that. Just simply makes everything easy for us. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for now. Bye.